Welcome back on our YouTube channel, guys. Now in today's video we're gonna be talking about ways how cryptocurrencies are stored. So there are so many ways how cryptocurrencies are stored, but in today's video we're gonna be breaking down some particular ways how cryptocurrencies are stored. Now don't forget to subscribe and like, plus sharing this video, because we are still uploading a lot of content. So we want you to be one of the people who will get notified whenever we upload a new video like this talking about crypto. So basically this channel is for beginners, because we are going to be uploading content from the beginner stage, intermediate, up to the advanced. So you just have to walk with us through all this journey, because we are still teaching a lot of things. Now don't forget to sign up with our forex, with our crypto broker, which is Binance Limited. So you'll be able to trade over 600 cryptocurrencies. With Binance you'll be able to trade 600 cryptocurrencies, so that's too much, guys. Remember, on exchanges you can trade plus investing. You will be able to trade with amount of people valuing 900 million people. So that is a lot of people to trade with in the financial markets. So sign up with Binance and start your trading journey today. Now, without wasting time, in today's video I'm going to be speaking about ways how to store cryptocurrencies. We can say the first way is hardware wallets like a nano ledger, and the second point is wallets, and the third point is exchanges. Now we're going to be breaking down one by one. We are going to see what are nano ledgers, we're going to see what are wallets, we are going to see what are exchanges. Now stay with me up to the end of this video. You will have learned a lot of content. Okay, now if I'm to scroll down, now what we're going to be focusing on first is wallets. Now wallets, cryptocurrency wallets, are specific to the cryptocurrency that is stored inside them. Put simply, cryptocurrency wallet allows a crypto holder to become their own bank. It's important to remember, however, that becoming your own bank leaves you responsibility for the security of your own capital. E.g., we have a blockchain wallet. So all these are examples of wallets. We have coin payments, Coinbase, and others. So we have blockchain wallet, Coinbase, coin payments, Coinbase, and others. So now these are the wallets you can use to store in your cryptocurrencies. Now remember, these wallets, they are in the form of virtual way, they are not physical wallets. Now these wallets, they are form of a virtual way, whereby these are applications, like the way you can see, let me say, WhatsApp or Facebook. Now also these wallets, crypto wallets, they are in a software way, whereby they are programmed in wallets. Now for your assets to be secure, you open up a wallet with, let me say, blockchain wallet, and you find you have to sign up and create an account with them, whereby you're going to be needed to create your password, your own password or PIN, plus your Gmail account. So in order to keep your assets secure, whereby you're the only person who has the access to your wallet. Now in that particular wallet you will find other wallets like coin payment. You will find you will be able to store in over like 600 cryptocurrencies. Now for blockchain wallet, you'll be able to invest in or store like over like 8 to 10 cryptocurrencies and other wallets. Now you keeping a lot of wallets, this help us sometimes not to expose our capital in a way that if you are holding a lot of money on exchanges, remember these exchanges anytime they can be hacked. Remember these exchanges, they are always online. But for the case of the wallet, you'll find yourself it's a little bit offline, whereby somebody tracking or hacking into your wallet to withdraw all your funds. It's not that easy. Only if someone knows your backup key or password or PIN. But for the case of the exchanger, you will find exchanges they are owned by individuals, whereby is the one that particular person who has the access to the exchanger, just in case that the exchanger can be hacked and you guys can lose your money. So that's why we highly recommend, if you are to hold your currencies, hold them on a wallet. Okay, so one example of holding cryptocurrencies or storing cryptocurrencies, you can store your cryptocurrencies on wallets. Okay, let's go on another bullet, which is exchanges. Now exchanges, these are marketplaces whereby you can trade cryptocurrencies, as in buying and selling. So in exchanges, it's where you can participate, it's where you can trade from. Okay, so trading is the buying and selling of cryptocurrencies. You buy low and sell high. Now for exchanges, they are multifunction, meaning you can trade as well, you can store cryptocurrencies on that particular exchange. That's what I was trying to explain here in our notes, that for cryptocurrency exchanges, they are multifunctional. They both keep cryptocurrencies and also people use them for trading. I think you get my point. You can store at the same time, you can use it for trading. E.g., we have an exchange like BINANCE. That's why we say hit the link in the description and sign up with our broker BINANCE to start trading, investing in NFTs, investing in different altcoins, tokens. So use that link in the description and sign up with BINANCE. There's an exchange called Bitrix. There's another one called KuCoin, Bitfinex, BitForex, Coin Exchange. So all these are cryptocurrency exchanges which we highly recommend you guys to use. Now you can use them for trading as well, you can use them for storing your cryptocurrencies. Our third point is, if you are to store cryptocurrencies are more secure also on a hardware wallet. Now remember, this hardware wallet was being formed in the form of like a flash. I think you can see here the little bit illustration. Now these nanoledgers, they are formed in the form of a flash, but this flash has a microchip inside it, like that in the Visa card, whereby on this chip is where you encrypt your cryptocurrencies. It can hold over like 1,000 cryptocurrencies on it. It depends on which nanoledger you bought. Now here you can see in the definition, nanoledger powered by USB connectivity. Nanoledger includes firmware level support for companions apps for variety cryptocurrencies that allow users to send and receive cryptocurrency payments, check their accounts, and manage multiple addresses for each cryptocurrency from the same device. Now the reason as to why we highly recommend nanoledgers is, for a nanoledger you can move it, like it's portable. You can move it and go with it wherever you are going. It can be traveling, you can be driving, you can be walking. So for a nanoledger, it's portable to travel with. because remember it's in a form of a flash, like this is the usual flashes, so it's portable for you to use. Now you find your cryptocurrencies are more secure on a nano ledger than an exchanger or a wallet, because these two exchanges and wallets, they can be hacked. But for the nano ledger, remember all your cryptocurrencies are stored in a chip. That chip, for you to access that nano ledger, you must have that backup key phrase which you first paste in order to access your funds. So guys, that's all we had for you today. In today's video, we were talking about ways how cryptocurrencies are stored, and we said you can store them on hardware wallets, exchanges, and wallets. Hardware wallets, that's what we call a nano ledger. Now don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and share this video in order to be notified whenever we upload. Plus commenting, you comment guys down in the description videos we'd like us to make, or questions we'd like us to answer. Comment down in the description. Don't forget to sign up with our broker Binance and trade over 600 cryptocurrencies. We'll meet in another video.